Morning everyone. So I'm Martin Belara from batch 4. So ang topic po natin today, August 12. Nagkamali pa si Jesus sa kanyang propesya or prophecy of Jesus. At ang scripture po na binahagi sa atin ngayon ay matatagpuan sa Matthew 24 verse 34. So basahin po natin yung konsepto na Jesus' prophecy in Matthew 24 primarily concerns the destruction of Jerusalem in AD 70 as God's covenantal judgment on Israel. The Great Tribulation and this generation refer to first century events, not the end of the world. While most of the Olivet Discourse was fulfilled then, some elements, like the final return of Christ and bodily resurrection, remain future. So the prophecy of Jesus, it was meant to judge his enemy. It was fulfilled in the first century and it was interpreted accurately by the early church. And the applications po, study the Bible with a theological bias. Syempre, dahil parang sinasabi na upang mas lalo natin maunawaan yung mga gantong part sa Biblia is kailangan talaga natin basahin at unawain yung pinapalabas. Like for example, ito sabi, nagkamali ba si Jesus sa kanyang propesya? Meaning to say, alam natin kaagad yung sagot dito kasi ang Panginoong Diyos wala sa lugar o wala sa kahit anong place sa ating buhay na nagkakamali ang Diyos. So, yung mga prophecy niya is talagang totoong mangyayari at talagang deserving mangyari at talaga naman planado yun. Dahil yun lahat ay may perfect timing at lahat yun ay may rason kung bakit nangyayari lahat ng bagay na like sabi dito, diba? Jesus' prophecy in Matthew 24 primarily concerns the destruction of Jerusalem. Dahil yun daw po ay covenantal judgment on Israel. So, talagang meant sila na masira dahil lang gusto ng Diyos. It has a reason na baka gusto turuan ng leksyon, pero lahat ng bagay na nangyayari sa isang place noong unang panahon or kahit hanggang ngayon ay talagang may rason ang Panginoong Diyos. You know that Bible does not teach pessimism and take Jesus at His word without distortion. So, lagi lang tayo makinig sa kanyang mga salita, and of course, we follow the Bible and we follow His commands and rules. That's all everyone. Thank you so much for listening and have a good day ahead.